Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great, wonderful day today. Thank you for checking out my video. Before we get started, go ahead and click the subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. And for everybody else, welcome back. Okay guys, I am an affiliate marketer and I show you guys different opportunities that you can join and promote and make commissions by promoting other people's products. Okay, that's affiliate marketing. Now I have another program I want to share with you. It's called Unlock Elevation, and this particular program is e-learning. Okay, it's a mastermind training course, okay, for mindset mastermind training course. This course teaches you several things. Okay, I'm gonna do an intro. I want you to check this out, but before we get to that, this course pays $200, guys. This program actually pays $200 every time you sell this course, every time someone goes to your link and buys this course. Okay, instant commissions, $200 a pop. Okay, so I want you to check this intro out, and then I'm gonna come back. We're gonna go over the back office and I'm gonna show you what's included. All right, check it out.
It's not an option nowadays. You need multiple streams of revenue. I know that, and now you know that. As you know, computer technology and artificial intelligence has been eating jobs since 1990. Whatever you do, wherever you are in the physical world, checking in, punching somebody's clock, tomorrow is not promised. And at any given moment, when you walk in, as much as they love you, they might have to release you due to the economic challenges that are taking place in our world. So I began to look online for a way to make money. I wanted my wife's dream to come true. She wanted to be at work from she wanted to be a stay-at-home mom, and I wanted to make that dream a reality. I finally found something. It totally changed my life. I started to move up in the company. I became the COO of one of the fastest growing work from home opportunities online. To make a very long story short, I've helped tens of thousands of people in the previous opportunity from Malaysia to California generate income online, transform their life, transcend their minds, and take everything they do to the next level. I decided to launch my own course titled The 7 Keys to Unlocking Elevation, because I wanted to teach on what it took for me to change my life. It wasn't just stepping into an opportunity, it was transforming my thinking. And so I am a husband, I am a father, I am a pastor of a multi-site, multi-ethnic, growing church in Cleveland, Ohio. I am a consultant. I am a business leader. I am also a motivational speaker signed with Motiversity. So that's just a little bit about me. I'm not here to be braggadocious. I'm not here to talk about me all day, but I will say that I have a heart and a passion for helping people and to teach people how to generate income online. And now let's talk about the problem. The problem is we all need to learn how to make money online. We all need to diversify our income. But you don't have time to build a product. You don't have time to host a website and pay thousands of dollars to a software developer for you to build your own course. Let's talk about it. The average business goes bust in less than 3 years. People invest $50,000, $100,000 to start their own business, and they tank in less than 3 years. This is a national statistic. What you need to learn how to do is leverage other people's products. And this is where affiliate marketing comes in. This is the way of the future. And if you don't get it now, you're going to miss the boat and again be beautifully equipped to live in a world that no longer exists. My niche is the motivation, the empowerment, and the personal development niche. This is an e-learning niche. We are inside of a $375 billion projected niche by 2025. Trust me, I know what I'm talking about. And so the question you have to ask yourself is, okay, the problem is I need to make money online. The solution is I'm either going to invest $10, $20, $30,000 in creating my own product, paying for hosting, paying a staff, paying a media guy, paying for this, paying for that, or I'm going to leverage Marcus's program that he already has, you get to leverage this video. Here's what I love about this video. This video is going to work for you while you're sleeping, while you're working out, while you're shopping, while you're at church, while you're doing whatever you want to do. This is the power of automation and duplication. Everybody that joins my program, they get their own replicated version of this site. You get your own exclusive affiliate ID, and you get to share this site. And as people watch this video and they join, you get paid.
Okay, so let me show you. We're in the back office. You can see this is my back office. Here's my info right here. Okay, so the course itself is called 7 Keys. Okay, 7 Keys to Unlock Elevation. That is the course. So in the back office, let me show you. You have your dashboard. Then they also have here to the left what's called 10-day kickstart. It's like a mini course that you can go check out. Marcus's 10-day challenge, and it's free. Okay, so you can get an idea of what you would be receiving. But this is an awesome course. I love the 7 keys. I've actually gone through the different modules several times. So let's go check this out. So right here, 7 Keys course. Before we do that, let me show you. You get a lead capture page. Let me show you what that looks like. Okay, this is the lead capture page that you're going to get. And I've actually run some traffic to this, guys, and people are receptive to this page. So I'll show you a solo vendor provider that I used, and I had quite a bit of leads to come in from this page. And I know a lot of times people wonder, well, it doesn't have the section where you put your name and email. It does. So you click here, okay, and here's the information. So this is where they enter their name, email, and phone number, and it captures their information. Okay, so you have a capture page. Let me show you the sales page. Okay. Right here is the ambassador. So when you become an affiliate for Unlock Elevation, you're considered an ambassador. That's what he calls the affiliates. So you have a page, ambassador page, that does all the selling and telling. When you click play here, you'll see he explains everything. So all your job is to get people to the capture page, which I'll share ways to do that once you join me. So you get this page. It does all the explaining. Right here to have your information. You can tie in your social media. Right here you can have Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, if you so choose to do that. But you can plug that in, which is great, so people can check you out. So this page does all the selling and telling, guys. Okay, so you have this, and then let me show you. They have what's considered the intro page. Okay, here's like the intro offer page, and right here is where you, at the top, you can see the 10-day challenge. Again, that's free. Go create a free account and get started there. Just check this thing out. So you can go there, set up a free account, and check out everything. So if you come down further, you can kind of read over this at your leisure. Just want to thumb through it with you so you can kind of see. So this page is included too. It's the intro page. This also people gravitate to because they see the 10-day challenge, and it's free. It says right here, free. Everybody loves free stuff, right? So they go here. You can actually promote this page as well. Now, it's not a capture page, it's just an intro page. So I kind of send this to people that have already opted in. So like people on my list already, I share this with. Okay, so and here's your 7-day keys, but at the same time, it speaks on the 7 keys. It's just not you're going to capture people's information. That's why I use this for people that's already existing on my list. Okay, so you have this intro page. So let's go back to the back office again. Okay, so 7 Keys is the name of the course. So here is the course, as you can see right here. It's unlocked. And the 7 keys: healing, self-awareness, psychology, vision, paradigm, influence, evolution, and elevation. Okay, so those are your courses, and they're very good. Okay, let me tell you. you will get a lot out of these courses. So not only are you getting elevated yourself as far as your mindset is concerned, and you're able to unlock your full potential. Okay, so this is very good stuff, very good motivation as well. You're going to be able to sell the course, the 7 Keys course, and make $200 each and every time, unlimited. They have the 1-up comp plan. It's very simple. The first sale that you make, you keep that $200 sale, then your second sale passes up. So everybody that joins you, they will pass up their second sale to you. So those $200 commissions will come up. Unlimited leverage. Okay, so 7 keys there. Motivational videos, elevation interviews. He has what's called the thought of the month. I love that as well. So you can always come in here and get some inspiration, encouragement, and he kind of pushes you out of your comfort zone. So I love what he does here. So let's go check this out. So here's an example of the thought of the month, the power of being present. So he has a lot of these back here, guys. This is good stuff, because it doesn't matter what business you join, you have to have the right mindset. And this is some good information. It's transformational training. Okay, so with that being said, this is a good program to join. $200 commissions. I also have a third-party system that I use for email follow-ups, because this one doesn't follow up, but your leads are in here. I'm going to show you what that is too. Hang on a second. Let me show you some other stuff. So when you go to the Ambassador, right? So you go to the left, because you're going to be an ambassador once you join. Here's a setup. Okay, click setup. He's going to walk you through the setting up your system right here. See, getting set up. And then right here is some additional training: Facebook, vlogging, Google AdWords, YouTube, traffic, Be Heard, LinkedIn. All that is right here at your fingertips. So you click Ambassador. He has some banners. Again, the social links that I showed you. All your referrals will show up right here. You can email your referrals. There's just not a follow-up email series. Okay, so that's why I use a third-party system, or you could also use a Weber. Okay, so email your referrals. Once they go into your back office, it shows you who your leads are, shows you your commissions here, and there's some other information here, the partners that he's partnered with, and some elevation stories of some other people on how they've transformed their life using some of these mindset training strategies. Okay, so with that being said, I want you to go check this out. Go to my website, www.30dayfreedomplan.com. okay, and get started with me. Start earning these $200 commissions. And when you join me, I am going to place your first ad. Actually, I'm going to run a solo ad for you to get some traffic started with your system, so you can start getting some leads coming in. Okay, so that's a bonus that I'm going to give you, as well as one-on-one support. I'm always going to be here to guide you and mentor you through the process of everything. So go ahead, click that link, check it out, 30dayfreedomplan.com. Get started. If you want to make $200 commissions, this system and this training is $297 one time. Okay, one time, and then you're going to make $200 commissions over and over and over and over. Okay, how do you receive those? You can download CASHAPP, Venmo, PayPal, any way you want, but those are the typical ones. But any way you want to receive your payments, you can do so. This is one of those programs that I love because it's member to member. You don't have to wait on a paycheck to come in the mail. As soon as someone purchases the course, 7 keys, okay, you're going to be paid instantly $200. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. I look forward to working with you. Just give me a call if you have any questions. Jot them down and we can discuss it. But before you call me, go ahead and check this out so you can go through the process and see what it all entails. Okay, and then we can talk about it. All right, guys, till next time, be safe, Have a blessed day. See you on the next video.